welcome to my channel Loic's World. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper frog. Today I am going to show how to make a paper frog. To make a paper frog, we need a king A4 sheet size paper. Let's start, guys. Wait, guys, if you have any scissors, you can cut it. Without scissors, you should follow like we are doing. Now, we should fold like this. Then do like this here. You have to use your nail like this, even for the cutting without
Finger.
with your finger. And now we have to do it like this. Like this, we have to fold and do a triangle here, and here also a triangle. It looks like a house roof, guys, right? Now we should open it and do like this. Then open. You'll see some X lines here, right, guys? So you have to do like this and fold it with your hands like this and press it down. Then with this, the same to the other side. Well done, guys. Now we should do like this and do the same to this side. Now, guys, we are going to do for this side. This side will be a little bit different. Like this, guys, and like this. Then do like this, guys. Now, voila! These are the legs. Yeah, they are done. It will help for it to stand. We are almost completed, guys. You're doing so well. Now, push like this front.
Fold.
Like so.
Fold.
Fold it. Then do one triangle towards straight here. Wait, I guess this is big. Like this. Then big. And do same for the other side. Wow, we completed almost, guys. Look, guys, we're almost completed. To make it to jump, we should fold like this, then bend and do like this, smallly, and the leg like this way. Guys, now let's see.
Try.
Wow! Guys, now if you are done in a white sheet of A4 sheet, if you want to see it colorful like a real frog, you can use colors and color it. In green paper only we can do and put eyes. Here it will be the eyes. Use a sketch pen and do like this for the eyes. And now let's color it. Now, are you ready for the fun part? Let's see how it will jump. Wow! Wow! Guys, wow! Guys, now let's do the fun part. Here is my shuttle bag. Let's see that how much height it could jump. Let's see that it could jump this height. Wow, it crossed now this much height. This is a little bit tricky, guys. Oh, just to almost, guys, to touch that. Oh, guys, it was so fun making the paper frog, coloring the paper frog, and games with the paper frog. Wow! And please like and share for Lovik's World. Thank you and bye-bye. Take care.